What's going on, guys? So it's currently 6:04 a.m. So we're looking at AUD currently on the charts. We're still waiting on that pullback, nothing major. But yeah, that's on the daily. 4 hour, we're still having that pullback. We're having that little double top, so hopefully we're going to have that pullback to the area of interest today, and maybe we'll have that shift into London session tomorrow. AUD USD, same thing. Now we're just retesting above our area of interest. So as we mentioned yesterday, we are just looking for this lower high. So we're looking to just take this trade to the upside, more of a counter trend trade. GBP CHF, same thing. We're looking just to create that higher high. So we're looking for the entry, preferably another retest at the area of interest shift and continuation to the upside. GBP NZD, it's kind of already in the other direction that we were looking for. We are looking for sells in this market, so we were just looking for a nice retest underneath area of interest, and we were looking for a closure underneath right here. If we closed underneath and pulled back, we were going to take that entry because we were closing underneath and confirming that we were bearish on Euro AUD. We are retesting the area of interest now, so hopefully we have a shift of structure in the next couple of hours. NZD same thing. Hopefully it's just like a lower high, a left head and right shoulder. So hopefully this is just a nice morning star that happens. If we look on the 1 hour, hopefully that's all it is. So if we do shift structure, we'll look for the entry to continue going to the downside. NZD USD, same thing. On the 4 hour, we did have that shift, so we do have higher highs and higher lows. And we closed below, so now we're just waiting on that pullback to enter. But yeah, guys, so hopefully you guys are enjoying these types of videos where I do day by day. But yeah, if you guys have anything you want to know, just let me know. Peace. What's going on, guys? It's currently 5:54 a.m. Tuesday, July 7. So on the charts, we got loading up AUD CHF. We're still making our way back to that area of interest. We are currently in a bullish uptrend, so potentially just to take it back to the area of interest, we might take a buy position. Right now ideally would be like the perfect time even to enter. Right now after this 4 hour engulfing, 1 hour engulfing, put your stop below. So this would be 1 to 2.5. I just need to see a little bit more price action on this because we are also then having a nice pullback potentially, because we are technically bullish now. So we'll just have to wait and see. AUD USD, still waiting for it to come back to the area of interest to retest before continuation to the upside. GBP CHF, we completely missed. We had that break on Wednesday last week, the first, and then we just never really got an entry that we liked. Potentially there was an entry on the 1 hour at 2 a.m. on July 3rd right here on this bullish engulfing, but other than that there was nothing else I really saw. GBP NZD just completely went in the opposite direction. Really nothing we can do. Euro AUD, we are looking for that buy position. So we are currently at the area of interest, and we can see we have a nice left head, right shoulder. So left head, right shoulder forming. So we are just waiting on that rejection on this daily candlestick to close, and then potentially tonight we'll have that nice bullish engulfing with that entry as well. So we are, if we close above, right, because it looks like we have another left head, right shoulder right here. So if we close above this, then we'll look for our entry. So we'll set an alarm right at that zone, and it's somewhat close to where I have my take profit area. So we'll just have to wait and see. NZDJPY, potentially an entry if we look on the 1 hour. I might enter this right now actually. This is nice. We have a nice 1 hour engulfing. We'll enter right here, and then we'll put our stop at that 1 to 3, and then we'll put it just above the area of interest. So yeah, we're gonna take this entry now on NZDJPY. NZDUSD, same thing. We are just making, it seems like, that lower high now. So we kind of already missed this lower low. It's unfortunate, but what are we gonna do? And then we already talked about GBP NZD. So yeah, NZDJPY is looking nice. It's having that rejection. We can see as long as this 4 hour candle closes underneath this area of interest, right, or I'm sorry, under this alarm, then we have that pullback, because then we'll have a nice left head, right shoulder, continuation to the downside. And then that's pretty much it. The 1 hour is looking nice too. Potentially there's an entry on this. But yeah, like I said, so we might gonna enter NZD JPY right now, and then I'll give you all an update tomorrow. I'll see y'all soon. Peace. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's currently 6:25 a.m. So currently on the charts, we got NZD JPY. We were looking very good on this position. We had a left head, right shoulder, and then we had the news break, and we kind of just we ended up getting out right around break even. Luckily, we got out at the right time. So as we can see, we had a massive push to the upside, which we avoided. Full stop loss. We were looking to enter on AUD-CHF. Same thing. Potentially, we can have a sell if we just retest underneath the area of interest and then have that continue to the downside. Euro AUD, as it's loading up. Alrighty, we got Euro AUD on the charts. As you can see, we are retesting back above this area of interest, so potentially we will have that buy. I just want to see it close above here and retest again underneath, just to confirm that we are bullish, and then we'll put our entry and hopefully have a nice trade to the upside. AUD USD, same thing. Technically we're bearish now, but we are just looking for that counter trend buy back into this area of interest to facilitate that continuation. GBP CHF never really got our entry signal. As you can see, it would have been last week Monday. We would have had a nice entry, morning star, but we were waiting on a retest, which we never got. NZD USD, it was nice. We had this on Monday. We missed, but it's okay. You know, every day you're gonna have a nice trade. You just set your pairs for the week and just see what happens. So potentially here we have a nice, hopefully morning star pattern forming. If this engulfs, then we'll just wait for a retest underneath the zone, and then we'll continue holding that. And maybe we'll have a potential entry on GBP NZD. So for now, I'm looking at Euro AUD and GBP NZD. NZD JPY is gone. Potentially we have AUD CHF, potentially AUD USD. NZD JPY is gone. GBP CHF is gone, and NZD USD is gone. So we just have these four. But yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's update, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. What's going on, guys? So it's currently 6:13 a.m. Thursday, July 9. So as we got the markets loading up, we got Euro AUD. We had a nice pullback into this area of interest. So we're just waiting to have that confirmation, closure above, and just look for entry to the upside. GBP NZD, we were looking for on the daily that shift of structure, which we got. So if we close like this today, we're looking for maybe a pullback tonight to continue going to the downside. AUD CHF, we're just waiting for a closure underneath, which we did get, and just that shift to structure again. So we're looking like a left head potential, right shoulder. So we have our alarm set, and we're just looking to see on AUD CHF what we got. AUD USD, same thing. We had that pullback into that area of interest, so hopefully we have that continuation to the upside. Let's see, AUD CAD. Nothing happened with this, just still waiting on that pullback to continue going to the downside. GBP CHF, we never got that entry, and it would almost have been 1 to 3 take profit. NZD JPY, full rejection. Looking back on this now, it looked like it was already bullish, as we can see. We had that continuation, and then we had that shift underneath. So this is kind of just like a bad trade on my part, just looking, for that overall sell position on the weekly. But we had to have anticipated that daily pullback to continue going to the downside. And then NZD USD, same thing. But other than that, it's been an okay week so far. We're still looking for Euro AUD buys and GBP NZD sells. So we are just looking for that pullback, and then once we have that pullback, we're probably going to enter this trade. But other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.